Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are bringing to you something super amazing, something that can spice up your life and at the same time can become a lifesaver for you. In this video we are going into the details of garlic as appears on your kitchen shelf to rebrand your regular runaways into enhancers of life. Before we get into these health benefits, let's just run a little bit through history here. Garlic has been for centuries a culinary and medical wonder. Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans, etc. Ancient civilization did not regard garlic just due to its flavoring enhancing powers, but also therefore due to its eventualness in their health. Here we will talk about 6 benefits of garlic. Number 1. Nutrient powerhouse. One of many reasons why garlic is considered a superfood is due to its outstanding nutritional profile. Garlic contains vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants like vitamin C, B6, manganese, and selenium. They are all important in the maintenance of health and as well-being. Number 2. Good heart health. Some studies have indicated that garlic might be good for heart health and functionality, helping with lowered blood pressure, decrease the cholesterol level, and even improve the arterial function due to vasodilation effect. And most of these potential cardiovascular benefits are mainly attributed to a compound called allicin in garlic. Number 3. Immune system booster. Especially in today's world, a lot of us want a little extra support for our immune system. Garlic is known for its immune boosting and upraising qualities. Oxidative stress can take its toll on the body, and garlic's antioxidants counter that by supporting antioxidant system within the body. So maybe it's time to add some fresh or cooked garlic into your diet to lend that little extra support to your immune system. Number 4. Anti-inflammatory effect. Garlic amazing anti-inflammatory effect might hold the key to that benefit. Sulfur compound in garlic are believed to help moderate chronic inflammation, a common factor in so many diseases. Adding garlic to your diet might result in lower level of inflammation, a possible relief for conditions such as arthritis. This effect merely adds another layer of advantage to the multitude already associated with garlic and show how adding garlic to food creates not just a culinary taste but also the delicious tool for human well-being. So enjoy its taste and maybe you will be enjoying moderation of inflammation responses in your body at the same time. Number 5. Cancer preservation and resistance. It's quite likely that use of garlic may extend boundaries of merely being a food to being something which helps in the providing health benefit. It is subjected to further exploration. Studies shows that regular intake of garlic in your diet may help in reducing the risk of cancer like stomach and colorectal cancers. The organosulfur compound in garlic are thought to have them exhibit protecting characteristics. So you don't only make your dishes teaser by using garlic but also you give yourself chance of being potentially safe from cancer. After all, good health is possible with not just exercise and sleep, but a health diet full of all kind of nutrients is very important. Number 6. Antibacterial and antimicrobial properties. Garlic's antimicrobial and antibacterial properties make it a natural protector against infections. One of the main components in garlic has been shown to display potent antimicrobial effects which may help aid the body against bacteria and the viruses. Including garlic in the diet may act as aromatic defense and lead to overall well-being, as including in the daily diets would mean contributing to keep our defense mechanism, the immune system, at its best in fighting harmful microorganisms daily. Though very commonly seen in every kitchen, garlic has proven that it can exceed being just one of those elements but improve one's health as it is continues to stand out as multiple purpose addition to our life. So here is the question: how to incorporate garlic into your diet? Here is a time to look into the precautions and the consideration of the side effects. Before you dive into the usage of garlic, here are precautions and considerations you should be bear in mind. While garlic has a lot to offer its health benefits, some are going to suffer from digestive effects or even the allergies. On the other hand, if on blood thinning medications or preparation for surgery, be sure to consult because it has anticoagulant effect. If pregnant or breastfeeding, be cautious as well and first ask your healthcare provider. Always remember that moderation is the key, and when things go wrong, ask your health practitioner right away. Like what we always say with any dietary change, just take things according to what's going on in your health to be safe while benefiting from the amazing properties of the garlic. So here we put the conclusion. What do we get from this all the video? So well, you have lot of reason guys, the amazing ways in which garlic can save your life. From heart to immune system booster, this little bulb certainly pack a punch. As always, it is essential to maintain a healthy and balanced diet for overall well-being. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, let us know in the comment below. If you are lover of garlic, if you need further knowledge about how garlic can save your life, tell us in the comment below and we will make the other video for you about this topic. Until the next time, stay healthy and stay happy. Thanks for watching.